Krishna, I have discussed with him. He will upload the assignments. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And any doubt in NCRT?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So we will do a quick revision till the time other students will join. So we have started the permutation and combination. Permutation. Okay. So, permutation means arrangement. Okay, but before permutation, we will discuss a topic, factorial. Okay, what is a factorial? So, suppose we have 3 factorial. This is a sign of factorial. So, then we will write 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, so you need to expand till 1. So this means 6. Similarly, if you have 4 factorial, then you will expand in this way, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is 24. Yusra, can you tell me what is 5 factorial then?
Five into
4 into 3 into 2
5.
into 1.
Yes, sir.
So there's 5 for 20, 60, and 120. Okay, Yusra, any doubt in this? Factorial is clear?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, suppose we have this question, compute. First is 6 factorial by 4 factorial. So how can you solve this question? Either you can expand both numerator and denominator and then cancel out the terms. Otherwise, you can do like this: 6 into 5 into this 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by this is 4 into 5 into 4. Sorry, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is equal to, now this complete, can we say this is 4 factorial?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what can we do? We can write 6 into 5 into, and in place of this, we will just write 4 factorial. And denominator also, there's no need to expand it. We will write 4 factorial, and these two will be cancelled out, and we will get a 30. This clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is similarly, please try this question: 7 factorial by 6 factorial into 7. Can you tell me the answer? So can you tell me what's the answer of this?
So 7 into 6 into 5, or we can say that.
Yeah, or we can write 7 into 6 factorial. By this is 6 factorial into 7. This will cancel out. 7 will cancel out. You will get a 1. Okay. Yes, sir. This is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then please try this: 10 factorial by 9 factorial into 2. Please tell me the final answer. My voice is audible. My voice is audible.
Yes, it's audible.
Okay. Rishan, please reply me on the chat box if you have completed the homework. And Yusra, this is done. Okay, very good, Yusra. That's correct. Okay. Next, Yusra, we have these types of questions. Suppose we have three alphabets. Okay, and from these three alphabets, we need to form a word. So what different types of words can we form? We can form a word like this, ABC. We can form ACB. We can form BAC. We can form BCA. We can form CAB. We can form CBA. Okay, so total these words are 6. So from the alphabet ABC, you can form 6 words. So what is permutation? Permutation means arrangement. That in how many ways can you arrange the alphabet or digits? So that is the permutation. Okay, so how can we do these types of questions? We can do like this. We need to form a word having the 3 alphabets. So we will make a 3 box. We have 3 alphabets, A, B, and C. So the first box have 3 choices. Suppose we have used A, then the second box have 2 choices. Suppose we have used C. Now the last one have 1 choices. So 3 into 2 into 1 is 6. So finally we get a 6. So how many words can be formed by using the alphabet ABC? So these are the words. Okay. Similarly, suppose if we have these alphabets A, B, C, and D, with the help of these 4 alphabets, we need to form a word. So Yusra, how many words can be formed with these alphabets? So the first block have 4 choices. Suppose we have used this. Second have then 3 choices. Next have 2 choices. Next have 1 choices. So 4 into 3 into 2 is 24. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will do one question and then we will start a new topic. So just give me a minute. Please try this. Find the number of different find the number of different signals that can be generated that can be generated by arranging by arranging, by arranging all the flags if 5 different flags are available. So please you try this question. You need to find the number of different signals that can be generated by arranging all the flags if 5 different flags are available. So you have this signal and this signal must have 5 flags. Okay. So you have 5 different types of flags. Then how many signals can be generated? Okay, that depends how you arrange the flag. Each time you will use a different color and arrange it, you will get a different signal. So please try to do this and share your answer. And Rishan, please confirm me on the chat box if you have done the homework. It's very good. This is correct. Very good. Krishna, this is done. Krishna, you have completed this?
No, sir.
Okay, okay.
Sir, can you explain, sir?
Uh, Krishna. So, in this question, we need to form signals, and 5 different flags are applicable. Suppose these are our flags: F1, F2, F3, F4, and F5. Okay, and this is the signal. Now, in the first case over here, we have 5 choices. Any of the flag can be used over here. So we have 5 choices. Suppose we have used this. Now we have 4 choices. Suppose we have used this. We have 3. And suppose this one, we have 2. Now 1 is remaining. Okay. So how many different signal? Different signals. So this will be equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is equal to 1. This clear?
Yes, sir.
Rikhan, please let me know if you have any doubt in this. Is the next question given 4 flags of different color? How many? How many different signals? How many different signals can be generated? Can be generated if a signal requires the use of two flags, two flags, one below the other, one below the other. Okay. Please try this question and share your answer. And Rishan, please reply me on the chat box if you have any doubt in these questions. Okay, fine, very good. So you can please try this question and share your answer. There is some calculation mistake. Please again check the question. You need to use two flags. Krishna, good. This is correct. Rishan, please share your answer. Is there any doubt in this? We will try this question. We have four flags of different color. How many different signals can be generated if a signal requires the use of two flags? So far, my voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have done the homework.
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, I was out.
So we need to form a signal having two flags. Total four flags are available. So Yusra, can you tell me? No. So Yusra, how many options does the first place have? Yusra, how many options? Four. We have four flags available. Okay. And we need to make a signal. So this place have four options. Suppose we have used this one. Then next place have how many options? Yusra, this place have how many options? I guess you have some mic issue, Yusra. You can reply me on the chat.
Yes.
Okay, you can reply me on the chat box. If you have used one, then this one, this have three options. So total signals are 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Okay, Yusra, this clear? Any doubt in
Yes.
this?
Yes.
Safan, you present yesterday. This is clear to you? Safan, this is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Then I expect you to solve the next question. Right. Good, Krishna. This is correct. And Safan, do you answer for this? Yes, sir. Please try this question and share
Yes,
your
sir.
answer. No, Safan, this is not correct.
Sir,
Yes.
can you please show me the solution for the last question? Actually, I got disconnected.
Okay. It's not on this.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Yes, sir. You have completed the last question. Yes, sir. This is done.
No, sir.
No. Okay. Please check here. And Safan, there's no need to do the questions directly. Okay. There's no need to find the numbers and give the answer. It will take a lot of time. Please check here. How many? 3-digit numbers. Okay. So the digits are 3. Then Safan, the number should be more than 600. Number should be more than 600. So can you tell me, Safan, at this place, how many choices do we have from these?
Yes, sir.
We need to form a number which is greater than 600. So how many choices we have for this block?
7
7 and
Yeah.
not fixed
and 6.
and 6. Okay, so Yusra, in this case, we have two choices. Either we can put 6 or 7. This is correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so this block have two choices. Suppose we have chosen 7. Now, how many number more than 600 can be formed using the digits this one? So now next, can you tell me how many choices do we have for the remaining one? Yusra, can you tell me? Now, these are 5 digits, okay? And nothing has been mentioned in the question. So we
Yes,
can
sir.
use the same digit again. If
So we'll use
something
all the
is,
5.
yeah. So second block have 5 choices. Suppose we have chosen any one of these, then the last block have how many choices?
All 5.
Again 5. Okay, so how, so the numbers more than 600 will be 2 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 50. Okay, Safan, now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if nothing has been mentioned in a question for the digit cases, we will take that repetition is allowed. Okay, now similarly, please try this question. Krishna, you can share your answer if you have completed this one. Six is not correct, Krishna. Please again check your answer. Krishna, you have completed this question. Krishna, this is done.
Sir, we cannot even repeat the digit for the 3rd and 4th place.
Yes, we can't repeat because in the question it is mentioned the repetition is A repetition of digits is not allowed.
Okay.
Krishna, do you have again check the question?
Yes, I'm trying to solve, sir.
Okay. No, you are not correct. Okay. I will help you. So this is the 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yusra, can you tell me in this first place, how many options do we have in the first place?
3.
3. Very good. 7, 8, or 9. We need to select any of the number from these 3. Now, suppose we have selected the 9 and they're saying that repetition is not allowed. Then next place have how many options?
4.
4. Very good. Suppose we have chosen this. Next place have how many options?
3.
3. Good. Suppose we are using this. Next one.
2.
2. Okay. So how many 4-digit numbers? 3 into this into this. So this is equal to 70. This clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Krishna, this clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. Safan? Safan, this is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Please try next question, and Safan, please try to find the correct answer of this. Next is how many numbers, of 4-digit can be found with the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the digits can be repeated. Okay, please try this one. Krishna, very good. This is correct. And Safan, what's the answer you are getting? Yes, sir. This is done. You can reply me on the chat box if you have any network issue. And Safan, please let me know you have completed this question or not.
Yes, sir, doing.
Okay. No, it's not correct. And Safan, please reply me if you can. If you can hear my voice. Next is how many numbers of 4 digits. Okay. And the digits can be repeated. Okay, yes, sir. So this first one, this have how many choices?
5.
5. This have
5.
good. This one,
5.
very good. Next is
5.
again 5. So please multiply all these. Okay, 625. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I hope this is clear to all of you. Now we will start a new topic. Okay, so next our topic is fundamental. Next our topic is fundamental principle of multiplication and addition. Now we will take example to understand this concept. So please note down the question and try to solve it. Question is find the number of different signals. Find the number of different signals that can be generated by arranging at least two flags in order one below the other on a vertical staff. On a vertical staff. If 5 different flags are available, if 5 different flags are available, okay. So we will understand this concept, fundamental principle of multiplication and addition, with this example. So please try to solve it and share your answer. And if you have any doubt, then let me know. I will explain it this way. Yeah, this answer is incomplete. Okay, this is correct, not completely correct. Okay, I will explain you this one. Krishna, do you get the answer of this? Krishna, do you get the answer of this one?
So are you asking me, sir? Yes, I
Yes.
got as 20, sir.
20. No, this is not correct. Okay, please check the question. The question is, find the number of different signals that can be generated by arranging at least 2 flags in order on a vertical staff if 5 different flags are available. Okay, so Krishna, can you tell me how many flags can be used to form a signal?
So 5 for one and
We can use 5. They're saying by arranging at least 2 flags. Minimum 2 flags you can use, and it's your choice. You can use more than that. Minimum 2 should be there. So what the possible cases we have, we can form a signal like this. We can form a signal like this, and we can form a signal like this one. The last case, we can form a signal like this one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So we have these choices. Okay, Yusra, Safan, and Krishna. Do you understand? Because in
yes,
the question it was
Yes, sir.
mentioned that at least 2 flags we can use. So we can use 2 flags and we will get this signal. We can use 3 flags and we will get this signal. We can use 4 flags, we'll get this signal, and we can use 5 flags and we will get this signal. Okay, Yusra, please tell me, if we form a flag, sorry, if we form a signal by using 2 flags, then how many choices do we have for this upper part? This one have how many choices? Yusra?
5.
Very good. There's 5. Okay. And we have used 1 flag. So the next block have how many choices?
We can use the same flag.
No,
or not?
we can't.
Okay, so 4.
4. Very good. The number of signals is equal to, so what can we do for the first case? We can say 5 into 5, 5 into 4. Okay. Now Yusra, for the second one, can you tell me how many choices this have?
5,
Very good. Next one.
4,
Good. Next one.
and 3.
3. So this is 5 into 4 into 3. Next one.
5 into 4 into 3 into 2.
Very good. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. Last one.
5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1.
Very good. So you get this. Okay. Krishna, this clear? Safan?
yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now we get a 4 cases. Now Krishna, Safan, and Yusra, can you tell me what we will do? We will multiply these 4 cases or we will add these 4 cases?
We should add, sir.
Should I? Yusra? We can multiply these 4 or we can add these 4?
We can add.
Add, okay. Safan? Okay, so this is our fundamental principle of multiplication and addition. Okay, you both are correct. We will add these cases, but this is a principle. So what is the principle? And sorry, how can we use this principle? Principle of multiplication and addition. Please always note this. If you will form a cases and you're completing any case and your main work will be completed. If you are doing any case and your main work will complete, then you can add all the cases. So for this case, we have chosen 2 flag. Now what is our main task? Our main task is to form a signal. So if you are using 2 flag, then your signal is generated. So this means your job is completed. Your main job is to form a signal. So if you use 2 flags, then your job is completed. So if you have divided the case, if you have formed the cases and you are performing any case and your job is completed, then you will add all the cases. Okay, if you have formed the cases and by doing any of the case, your job is not completed, then you will multiply it. So for this case, your signal is generated. For this case also, your signal is generated. For this one also, signal is generated. For this one also, signal is generated. That's why you have added all this. So what you need to do, you need to form the cases. Okay. And if by performing any of the case, your job is completed, then please add all the cases. Okay. Krishna, Yusra.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the fundamental principle of multiplication and addition. And when we will use multiplication, if a job is not getting complete, then we will multiply the cases. For example, in this case, we have 5 options, we have 4 options. But if we are choosing one flag, then a signal is not completed. That's why we have multiplied these two. So this is the fundamental principle of multiplication. We will do more cases later on. Okay, please note down this. Shall we start next? Can we start next one?
Yes, sir. We can start.
Okay. Yusra, this time.
Yes, sir.
Now we will start next topic, that is permutation. Permutation. Okay. Now we will do the formula of permutation. We have done, we have find the total number of arrangements by using direct method. Now we will use a formula of permutation. So what is permutation? This is actually arrangement. Okay. How we were arranging. For example, we have three digits. We are forming 2-digit number. So we are arranging these digits. We have 3 alphabets. We are forming a word. So we are arranging these. So whenever in the question it is given that you need to arrange, okay, that you need to find from the meaning of the question, and that means permutation. Now we will do the formula of permutation. So NPR, okay, or this is also can be written as P and R. So this means total number of permutation. Total number of permutation of n distinct things taken are at a time. Okay. What does this NPR means? NPR means total we have n objects, and at a time we are arranging R. So this will give you the total number of permutation. So the formula of this NPR or PNR can be denoted in any of these ways. This is equal to n factorial by n minus R factorial. Okay, so we have this formula. For example, if we have 3p1, then we will write 3 factorial by 3 minus 1 factorial, and this is equal to 3 factorial by 3 minus 1 is 2 factorial. How can we solve it? 3 into 2 factorial by this is 2 factorial. This will cancel out, and finally we will get answer 3. Okay, so This is the formula of permutation. Please note down this. First, we will do the questions directly based on the formula. Then again, we will do the word problems. Okay, please note down this and confirm me, and we will start the questions.
Done, sir.
Okay, Krishna, very good. You try this time. Yusra, this
1
is
minute, sir.
okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, very good. So please try this question. Please try this. Share your answer. Please share the answer of first question if you have completed this. Very good. This is correct. Please start the second one. And Yusra, first is done. Yusra, you have completed the first one. Okay, Krishna, please try to do the second one. And if you have any doubt, then please let me know. 5 for the first one, no, not correct. So for this one, you will write 5 factorial by 5 minus 3 factorial. So this will be equal to 5 factorial by this is 2 factorial. So 5 factorial means 5 into 3 into 2 into 2 factorial. By this is 2 factorial. This will cancel out. So this is equal to 60. Okay, Yusra? Krishna, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Yusra, that was the first answer. Second one, and 5.
Sir, I have a doubt for the second one, sir.
Second? Okay.
Yes, sir. So when we are making that form, sir, p like n factorial by n minus 4 factorial, should
Yep.
we have to subtract n minus 4 like the previous method yesterday you had told?
First, we will write like this. 2 into this means 5 factorial by 5 minus 3 factorial. And this is equal to n factorial by n minus 4 factorial. Okay, so this is 2 into 5 factorial by this is 2 factorial. Now, Krishna, which one is greater, this one or this one?
Sir, n factorial.
N factorial is greater, so we will expand this one. Yusra, this is clear. This is a new type for you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so whichever the number is greater, whenever the variables are involved, so whichever the number is greater, we will expand that one. So this is n factorial, this is n minus 4 factorial, so we will expand the first one. So this is n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4 factorial. Okay, and denominator we have n minus 4 factorial. Okay, so Yusra, why we have expanded till n minus 4 factorial only? Because in the denominator we already have n minus 4, so this can be cancelled out. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in the denominator we have n minus 2 factorial, then we will expand up to n minus 2 only. Now this 2 into this is 5 factorial by this is 2 into 1. Okay, 2 factorial can be written as 2 into 1. This will cancel out. And this is equal to n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. Okay, now we can write like this: n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 is equal to 5 factorial. Okay, 5 means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. And please ignore that one. Now you have this, so never open this one if that is more than 2. If you will multiply this, you will get n to the power 4. So please never open this bracket. If by opening the bracket, you are getting a quadratic equation, then this is okay. You can solve a quadratic equation, but never more than 2. So if you are getting a cubic or a biquadratic equation, please never open this. You will not be able to solve this. So this we will do we will solve this by direct method. Okay, please compare this one. Here you have 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also you have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So please try to change in this one. Here you have n, here you have 5. Here you have n minus 1. So Krishna, can you tell me in place of 4, what can we write?
5 minus 1.
5 minus 1. Very good. Okay, next you have n minus 2. Yusra, can you tell me in place of 3, what can we write?
5 minus 2.
Very good, 5 minus 2. Next we have n minus 3. So in the right side you have a 2. So what you can write in place of 2, Krishna?
5 minus 3.
5 minus 3, very good. Now please compare the left side and the right side. This is n minus 1. So Krishna, can you tell me what is the value of n?
5, sir.
N is 5, very good. Okay, so these types of cases can be solved by direct method. Yusra, Rishant, Safan, Krishna, if you have any doubt, then please let me know. Otherwise, note down this and we will do one more question of this type. Shall we start next? This one. Please try to do this question. If P and 4 is equal to 20 into P and 2, find N. Okay. Please try to do this question. If anyone have any doubt, then please let me know. Now, do you have any doubt in this?
No, sir.
And Yusra, Safan, any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Very good. This is correct and is equal to 7. Safan, I'm not receiving any reply from you. Yusra, this is done. And Rishan, if you can hear my voice, please reply me on the chat box. Yusra, this is done. Yusra, this is done. Shall I complete it? Yeah, okay. So we have this. So please expand this. This means n factorial by n minus 4 factorial. This is equal to 20 into n factorial by n minus 2 factorial. Okay. Now, please, we have this. So we can cancel these two. This is n factorial and factorial. This will be cancelled out. What you can do, you can shift this term to the left side. So you will get n minus 2 factorial by n minus 4 factorial, and this is equal to 20. Yusra, please tell me which one is greater, n minus 2 is greater or n minus 4 is greater?
N minus 2.
N minus 2, very good. So we will expand this n minus 2 up to n minus 4. So the first term will be n minus 2. The next term will be n minus 3. Next term will be n minus 4 factorial. We will expand up to n minus 4 factorial only. And the denominator we have n minus 4 factorial, and this is equal to 20. These two are cancelled out. So finally, we will get n minus 2 into n minus 3. Okay, and this is equal to 20. Now, if we will multiply, open the bracket, then this will give us a quadratic equation. So we can solve it by quadratic equation method also. There is a first method. Okay, you already know. You just need to make a quadratic equation. You need to find the value of x. We will try another method also, the direct method. So this is 20, and there are two terms which are in multiplication. So Yusra, can you tell me the two numbers which will multiply, then we will get a 20? What are the two numbers, Yusra, whose multiplication will give you 20?
5 and 4.
Very good, 5 and 4. Okay, why we have chosen two numbers? Because here we have a two number only. Now, this is n minus 2, this is n minus 3. So that means this is bigger number, this is smaller. That's why we will write the bigger number first, then the smaller one. Now this is minus 2. So Yusra, can you tell me that what number can we write over here so that we will get a 5?
Sorry, sir, can you please say that again?
Yes. What number can you write over here so that you will get a 5? We have a minus 2 over here. So what number can we write over here?
7.
Very good. 7. Okay. Now this is 4. Here we have minus 3. So please write minus 3. So what number can we write over here? We need this 4. So Yusra, can you tell me what the number we can write over here?
7.
7. Very good. So the multiplication of these two is, okay, we get this. Now please compare both the sides. So Yusra, can you tell me what is the value of n?
7. N is equal
Very
to
good.
7.
N is equal to 7. So this is a second method to solve this question. Okay, so you can use this method for these types of questions only. In a general quadratic equation, please do not use this method. For permutation and combination only, please use this one. Okay, please note down this, confirm me, then we will start the word problems. And Rishan, if you have any doubt, then please let me know. So this is done. Shall we start next? Yes, sir. I hope you have completed this one.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So next type of problems are practical problems. Practical problems on permutation. Okay. These are the same type of problems which we have done earlier. So the difference is earlier we have done by the direct method, and now we will use a formula of permutation. Okay. So suppose we have three alphabets A, B, C. Now with two alphabets, we will form a word. So what can the options? We can use AB, we can see B, we can say BC, we can say CB, and we can say AC, we can say CA. Okay, so the total words can be formed as 6. Now we will first check the direct method, how we will do this. So we need to use two alphabets. So this first block have 3 options. Okay, and this have then 2 options. That's why we are getting 6. Now with the help of formula, we will try to solve this problem. Total alphabets we have 3. So write 3 P. Now how many alphabets do you need to select? You need to select 2. So the answer is 3P2. We will try to solve it 3 factorial. So this will give us 3 factorial by 3 minus 2 factorial. And this is equal to 3 factorial by 1 factorial. And expand this 3. So this will give you 3 into 2 into 1. And denominator we have already 1. We get a 6. Okay, then this is your choice. You can do the question by this method, which we have already done. And it's your choice. You can use a formula. What is the formula? You need to write here the total alphabets. Total alphabets or total things. And here you need to write the things which you need to arrange. Always remember, whenever you are using this formula, then repetition is not allowed. Okay, and the digits things should be different. For example, here A, B, C, these are different. This is not like this. This is a different case. So you will use this formula only when the digits, things, alphabets all are different and repetition is not allowed. So Krishna and Yusra, this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Krishna,
Yes,
okay,
yes.
okay, very good. There's no need to note down anything. Just give me a minute. I will give you a question and try to solve that. Please try this question. How many different signals can be made? Signals can be made by 5 flags, from 8 flags, from 8 flags of different color. Okay, please try to solve this question. How many different signals can be made by 5 flags from 8 flags of different color? Okay, this is a very simple question. Please try to do this and share your answer. Krishna and Yusra, please clear this answer. And if you have any doubt, then please let me know. Very good. This is correct. Krishna, then please start the second one. And Yusra, if you have any doubt in the first question, then please let me know. I will solve. So, first question is done. Yusra, first one is done. Yusra, have to reply me on the
Yes, yes, sir. 1 minute.
Okay. No, very good. That is great. Yusra, you have completed the first one, or shall I help you? Yusra, very good. Very good. That is correct. Please start the second one, Yusra. So if you have any doubt in the second one, then let me know. Very good, Yusra. Please try this question. How many words? How many words with or without meaning, with or without meaning can be found using using all the letters of the word, using all the letters of the word equation, using each letter exactly one, using each letter exactly one. Okay, please try this question.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Hello.
what number will we write in place of R in the
Okay, so in this case, the question is how many words with or without meaning can we form using all the
Hello.
letters of the word equation, using each letter exactly once.
Hello.
So here we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 8, total 8 alphabets. And they're saying using all the letters of the word. So you need to use all the 8 letters. That's why this is 8p8. Okay, and just one more thing. I missed to inform you that 0 factorial, this is equal to 1. Okay, 1 factorial is also equal to 1, and similarly, and 0 factorial, this is also equal to 1. Now please try to do this and share your answer.
okay, sir.
And Krishna, if you have completed this question, then please let me know. Okay, so Krishna, this is 8 factorial. Correct. Yusra and Krishna, this is correct. Very good. Okay, so the remaining topic we will do in the next class. Okay, and from the next we will try to extend our classes from the next Saturday and Sunday. We will try to extend it till 1.45 hour. Okay, so please note down the homework. You need to complete exercise 7.1, 7.2, and 7.3. Okay. Plus, you need to do the assignments. Just give me a minute. I will tell you the numbers. Okay, you need to do the assignment number 1, then assignment 2, then assignment 3, and please give me a minute. I will tell you the question numbers in this. Assignment 1, this you need to do. You need to complete it. Assignment 2, just give me a minute. This also complete. Just give me a minute for the thing. This is from question number 1 to 10. Okay, this is your homework. The remaining topics we will do in the next class. And Krishna, please wait your Viva of 5 minutes. Okay. So, Yusra, do you have any doubt in the today's class?
No, sir.
Okay, then if you wish, you can drop off. Okay, because this is your first class, so there is no need to give the Viva.
Okay. Sir, when is the next class?
Next Saturday.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, so Krishna, just give me a minute. I will give you some questions, and you need to tell me the answers. Krishna, please tell me one by one the answers of these. My voice is audible.
Yes, sir. I am doing it, sir.
Okay.
Sir, first one is 1260.
First one is 1260. First one, 10 factorial by 6 factorial by 4 factorial. This one?
Yes, sir.
You told me 1760.
No, sir. 1260.
1260. Okay. For this one?
1 second, sir. Sir, are there all Viva questions like this for like after every chapter?
Not every weekend. Okay. Every
Okay.
Sunday.
Okay, sir.
Actually, most of the time I take the Viva, but these are the types of questions where I can't ask you orally. Okay, that's why I've written these.
Sir, x is equal to 121.
Yes. For the 121, next one.
So next one is 64, sir.
One.
Yes, sir. So next one is 120. And the other one is 720.
Krishna, very good. Only in this case, the answer is not correct. You have done some calculation mistake. Okay. So the correct answer is 210. So I will solve this 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial by 4 factorial. So this cancel out. 4 is 4 into 3 into 2. So 4 to 8 is 3.